Hey guys, this is Adrian Henson here. I'm the competition chair for Sync, and I was going to go over with you today how to actually enter through the Print Competition website, printcompetition.com website. So let's see here. The easiest way to get to it is go to synkrocks.com, go to Sync 2019, Image Comp, and this takes you to a lot of new information that you'll want to look over this year. For one, the date, we will be judging on Thursday, February 28th, and that'll be important in just a moment. If you're not going to be able to be there for Thursday, you'll go over to printcompetition.com. The link is right here, so we're already there. If you are not going to be there, you will probably want to get a premium membership. You can get a standard membership for $9, I believe, and the premium membership is $13. The premium membership, the regular membership, lets you upload and enter. It will email you your score notice and permanent history of final score, some other things here. The main thing is if you want your score texted to you, do the 13. The 13 is per quarter, so you can stop that at any time, so it's $4 difference if you want to get your text and you're not going to be there. There's also some pre-game apps that are pretty cool, and post-game app to see results and leaderboards and just some really cool stuff here. So we'll go back to printcompetition.com. At least we'll try to. There we go. And you, at this point, want to either log in or register. You can register here. I'm already registered, so I'm going to log on. All of my information, and we want to select which association we're going to be entering. We're going to be entering Sync and create new image entry. I've already entered 1, 2, so they will stack up down here as you enter them. Let's see, there's some information here we do need to know. When you get ready to upload, you do want to make sure your images are 4,000 pixels on the longest side, and you'll want to save them as a JPEG 10. So let's find us an image here. Go to Photoshop. We've already got that one uploaded, so we will just pull in a different one here. Right there, and these are a little bit larger than the recommended size. So it's simple as edit, or excuse me, image size. Make sure you're resampling because we're larger than what we need, so we have to resample it down. Make sure there's a link, find the bigger of the two numbers. 4,000 is your key, and click OK, and that will shrink this image down. And then we want to file, save as, JPEG, and we're going to save that to the desktop in this case. Okay, save. And here they want you to save it as a JPEG 10. The key to this is that you don't want to have a file over 10 megabytes. I thought that would tell you, it doesn't. Let's go to 10, click OK, and that should be saved. Get out of Photoshop. And we already, let's see, we're going to name this one, create new image, on point with an E. Alright, and select category. This will be Girl in Studio. The categories are important. If you put your image in the wrong category, it will get judged. It will get a score. It may suffer a little bit because the judges might be confused. We may be in the middle of judging the boys category and all of a sudden a girl pops up, and it's possible that it'll distract them. So put it in the best category you can. Sometimes you don't know exactly where to put them, but most of the time it's pretty cut and dry. So this is a Girl in the Studio, and we're going to create, and everything's digital this year. Makes that simple. Create, and also do not include your name or the name of your studio on the front of the image or in the title. So if you have logos or anything like that, make sure they're not on there. We usually see a couple of those every year, so just be careful on that. And create new entry. So once you've created new entries, or a new entry, you'll see that it stacks up in the queue. And you can go ahead and name all of your images, create all your entries, and then come back and upload later. What I would caution you is if you do that and you start uploading this one, don't go right away and start uploading this one until this one is complete. Just let them finish. The warning isn't up here anymore. I know that used to be a problem in the past. So we're going to upload this one. There it is on our desktop. Poof. And open. And you'll see it uploading, and eventually it'll pop up. There we go. Alright, so once you are done with that, then you're going to want to go to the pay screen, and you can hit pay on any one of these, and it's going to bring up pay for everybody. So it sees that I have 3 images, and if you want critiques, they're $15, and you can pick which image you want to critique. If I've already had a critique, say in another competition on this one, or somebody's already talked to me at length about it and I don't want to critique, I can just pick and choose which ones, and it'll go ahead and total that up. Enter your payment information and hit charge your card, and that will finalize your entry, and you're good to go. If you have any questions, go to the Sync Webs or the Sync Facebook page, or look me up, Adrian Henson, and message me. And my wife Heather is also on the print committee. She is Heather Henson. And either one of us, either on the Sync Facebook page or message us directly through Facebook, and we will answer any questions that you have about entering print competition. I wish you good luck and enter. It's one of the best educational opportunities possible, listening to actual judges debating and giving their thoughts on your images during an image competition. It's just a fantastic way to learn. So I encourage you to enter. Enter often and enter as many as you feel comfortable with. And thank you so much. We look forward to seeing you. Have a good one.